Celebrated as one of the stellar smartphones of the year, Google Pixel 2 is packed with everything you can imagine. From cinematic 127mm Full HD screen display to running Snapdragon 835 SoC, Google Pixel 2 is nothing short of perfection. However, if you want to utilize the device to its full potential, we recommended trying in this video of third-party best apps for your Google Pixel 2, Google Pixel 2 XL. These apps not only enhance the experience on your Pixel 2 but also help you bring out the best of what your Pixel 2 has to offer. 1. Zedge. Zedge offers millions of free ringtones, notifications, wallpapers and icons to make your device one of a kind. With Zedge, your phone is the ultimate conversation starter, transforming each call, text, and moment of screen time into an entertaining experience. Zedge is the most trusted app in phone personalization with free wallpapers, ringtones, app icons, alarms and notification sounds to easily customize your phone, tablet or other mobile device. Join the over 200 million people worldwide who rely on Zedge. 2. Flamingo for Twitter. Flamingo is a bright and colorful Twitter client with a simple and extremely customizable interface. It provides you with the Twitter experience you know and love with beautiful material design. You can easily switch between several accounts, and individually theme those accounts. 3. Muzei. Google Pixel 2 is an elegantly appealing device thanks to the gorgeous 5-inch Full HD display. However, the feel of the same is accentuated by using the correct set of live wallpapers on your device. Choosing a right wallpaper is as similar to choosing the right set of clothes to wear. Muzei brings you an amazing catalog of live wallpapers packed with a plethora of variety and themes to choose from. With Muzei Live Wallpaper you can learn about the famous pieces of art as they are brought to life on your Google Pixel 2 home screen. Besides a vast collection of classic paintings by well-renowned artists such as Starry Nights by Van Gogh, Muzei also features the unconventional modern-day paintings. Apart from defaults offered by Muzei, you can also select pictures of your device. Muzei is for all those who regularly change their wallpapers. 4. Android Auto. Android Auto, which was introduced a few years, changed the navigation scenario. But now if you are a proud owner of Pixel 2 you can run Android Auto regardless of car you drive. You won't even need a fascinating car dashboard to run Android Auto. All that is required of you is to dock your Google Pixel 2 on your dashboard and start navigating to your favorite places and exploring other fantastic destinations. Android Auto and Google Pixel 2 supports a powerful voice assistant coupled with an intuitively easy interface and large buttons to ease navigation. Moreover, replying to important messages and appointments while you are on the go becomes easier with the automatic and single-tape replies option in Android Auto. Furthermore, you can even download and install applications to work in collaboration with Android Auto for a better and seamless experience. 5. Snapseed. Google Pixel 2 is hailed for its camera by everyone. With Snapseed on your Google Pixel 2, you give your photos an amazing edit with different effects. Snapseed is developed by Google and hosts a plethora of tools, making it the best picture editing application for professionals and amateurs alike. Snapseed consists of some subtle effects which automatically tune the picture settings. Apart from an enriching array of effects, Snapseed houses some powerful tools such as selective tuning, vignette, color correction and HDR settings. Snapseed is as easy as it is powerful and is popular for generating some of the best quality edits. Moreover, the app is completely free without any in-app purchases. It is a perfect partner for touching up your Insta pictures or uploading some amazingly captured moments on Facebook. 6. Trello. The productivity of a smartphone is determined by how much it eases the things around you. Google Pixel 2 tops the list with some near-perfect organizational applications, though the best one being Trello. Trello is a simple Android app which helps to manage your daily activities and to-do tasks. From a student to a working professional, Trello is one such app which everyone must use to stay better organized. Trello is for everyone, whether it is a team of people or a solo person. The app allows you to create boards and conduct meetings. It even helps to customize workflows for better organization. The checklist option on Trello comes handy to knock off tasks and agendas on completion, helping you to idealize your goal and strategies to plan better. Used prominently for large projects, Trello is an enriching app for keeping things organized efficiently. 7. Wunderlist. To-do apps are only better if they are efficient. With Wunderlist, turn your Google Pixel 2 into a personal assistant for not only you but also for your family and friends. The most amazing feature of Wunderlist is that you can share your to-do lists and tasks with your friends and family. Moreover, if you have multiple devices, Wunderlist will sync everything across all those devices perfectly. Unlike any traditional to-do apps, Wunderlist hosts an amazing set of features. Not only can you attach photos and notes, but Wunderlist also allows you to attach documents such as PDF to your to-do list to manage your tasks better. You can even create shared to-do lists with your family and friends for efficient management and simplicity of tasks. The only to-do list app you ever need for your Google Pixel 2 is the Wunderlist app. 8. Agenda Calendar Widget. The built-in calendar app on Google Pixel powered by Google is a resourceful calendar widget, but apart from syncing birthdays and events from your Google profile, the calendar app is a simple and easy take. However, for people looking for a feature-rich calendar app, the answer to your queries is Agenda Calendar Widget. It displays everything right off your schedule, be it meetings, leisure, anniversaries or one of those days. Designed with an elegant look, the Agenda Calendar Widget is beautiful and appealing. It even integrates with your Google account to display your account-related tasks and reminders on your calendar. Agenda Calendar Widget also displays weather information as an added advantage on your calendar. Just add it to your home screen, and the rest will be taken care of on its own. 9. Weather Timeline. Weather plays a vital part to plan your schedule and can often drop some surprises in your path. Keeping track of weather can be a tedious task, but with Google Pixel 2, you can get live weather updates periodically over the day. But major weather reporting apps including the infamous Google app make things more complicated to grasp. Weather Timeline, unlike other weather reporting apps, doesn't feature cluttered designs, animations, and meaningless graphs. Touted as a simple and elegant weather reporting app, Weather Timeline makes weather more straightforward to understand thanks to the usage of colors and clip art as opposed to numbers and symbols. 10. SimpleNote. Wondering what's the use of downloading and installing an additional Note application on your Google Pixel 2 when it already comes preloaded with Google Keep right out of the box? But SimpleNote triumphs over Google's note-keeping the app, Google Keep in terms of design, customization and the simplicity. The application takes after its name by allowing users to simply keep track of their most important things, shopping lists, reminders and other stuff. The app even takes it a notch further by offering dark and light modes for better user experience. More importantly, SimpleNote is available on almost every platform and syncing your stuff over a plethora of devices is hassle-free.